Hi friends, so let's start with the third lecture of Excel. So in the last class we have studied about the sorting and the data filtering. So today we are going to work on text to columns, how to remove the duplicate values and how to apply the validation rule. So I'll go back to sheet 1. You can see first we have the student name or maybe any employee name, and then we have the city name. So both the columns are merged with some special characters. So if we want to divide both the names into the separate column, so first we will select the data, text to columns, use delimited, go next. So here you can select some delimiters like semicolon, then we have comma, space, and some characters like we have a special character question mark, and we can finish it. So this is how we can remove the question mark and the other characters from our data, and we can keep it segregated. So next let's discuss about how to remove the duplicate values. You can see there are certain city names. I will select the complete data, I'll copy it to G1. Okay. So I want to remove the duplicate values in the city name. So again I have to select the complete data, go back to data, then remove duplicates. To delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So we have to check to this column G and then OK. 5 duplicate values found and removed, 10 unique values remain. So this is how we can remove the duplicacy from our Excel data. So you can see Delhi is repeated, Indore, Mumbai, Bengaluru, and then Kolkata. So this is a process to remove the duplicate values from the data. Now let's suppose we want to apply some validation rule. So validation rule is nothing but you are defining certain rules to restrict your user to enter certain value in the cell. So to start with, let us insert one column. This is the name. Then we have city name, and then we have the suppose state and code. So if we are already aware our code is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number means starting from 1000 to 9999. So we can restrict our user to enter any value between this specified range. So what we have to do, we have to select the complete range of data, go to data validation. So right now you can see the validation criteria is in allow, we can enter any value. So when you click on this button, go to a whole number. In the whole number, what we want to do is we want to keep the minimum value 1000 since it is a 4-digit number, and the maximum value should be 9999, and then click OK. You will see if I am entering some value, maybe 1298, the cell will accept the value. If by mistake if I enter something 1745495, you will see the value you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values that can be entered into this cell. So this is how you can prevent your user to enter any junk data. So again you can enter any value which is basically a 4-digit number. I hope this must be clear to all of you. Oops, retry. Okay, let me remove the last digit. and by mistake if we enter some character or something alphabet, again it will not accept it. We have to remove the alphabet. So this is how we can apply the validation rule to our data. And if you want to remove the validation rule, again select the complete range of data where you have applied the validation rule. Again click on data validation. The selection contains some values without validation setting. Do you want to extend data validation to this cell? Yes. So if you want to remove the validation rule, clear all and OK. So now you will see we can enter any value, so our cell will accept it. So this is how we can apply the data validation to a certain numbers. Now if we want to apply the validation rule for the state name, so what we have to do is again select the complete range of data, go to data validation. Since state name is a word, so you can select list. In list you can enter the states which are from the following cities. So Maharashtra, then Delhi, then you have West Bengal, so now you can see if we have a large data, then again it's again not possible to write the complete state list. If we have more than 100 states or maybe 150 states, it will be a tedious process to do it. So we'll see how we can make it more simple and easy. So MP we have already entered, in fact Delhi we have already entered, then we have Karnataka, West Bengal, okay. So again I repeat the same process. First we will select the complete range of data, the cell where we want to apply the validation rule. In allow, go to list and write the complete data. And then click on OK button. Okay, so we don't have to put equal to. Now you will see if I entered any state, maybe for Pune it is Maharashtra. Oh, I entered some wrong value, so it should be RA. So my cell will accept the value. Again Maharashtra, okay. And in fact you can select the range of the states from this using this arrow button. For Delhi it is Delhi, for Kolkata it is West Bengal, MP. Oh, okay, so there is some typing error. So this is how you can basically use validation rule to restrict user to make some errors and to do some to enter some wrong values. Punjab, then UP, again UP. Okay, so this is case sensitive. We have to type MP in caps. Maharashtra, Karnataka and West Bengal. So this is how we can enter the validation rule to our range of data. So again, this is a long tedious process. I think if we have more than maybe we have data where we have around 100 or maybe 200 or 1000 state, again this is not easy to like apply the validation rule, because we have to type every state name in the validation box. So how we can make it more easy and simple is, normally when we talk about data, we always keep a separate master data where we keep the complete range of information. So when we talk about state, so maybe I can copy the same states from here. I can paste it, I can apply some validation rules, remove duplicate, okay, and then we have some more states like Himachal Pradesh, okay. So if we want to apply a validation rule, again we'll repeat the same process. State, select the complete range of data where you want to apply the validation rule, go to data validation. So when you have a list, so either you write the state name directly into the source, or you can select the complete range of information from sheet 2 and then click on OK button. So you will see the states which are mentioned in the sheet 2, so this will automatically come in the drop down box. So that is how you can again like apply the validation rule. And if you want to remove it, again go to data validation, yes, clear all, okay. So now the validation rule is removed. You can enter any XYZ value, right? So I hope this must be clear to all of you. In our next class, we will be discussing about data consolidation and what if analysis and how we can do the grouping of data. Thank you.